Here we're going to be solving these two system of equations using the elimination method. For number 1, we're going to subtract the two equations from each other. We know that we can eliminate the y variable if we subtract the two equations because they both have the same number in front, which is positive 2. If we subtract the two equations from each other, for x we'll have 7x minus negative x. 7 minus negative 1 gives us positive 8x. 2y minus 2y cancels each other out, which is the objective of elimination. We're eliminating one of the variables. And then negative 19 minus 21 gives us negative 40. To get x by itself, we have to divide each side by 8, and this will give us x equals negative 5. The answer to a system of equation is the ordered pair where the two lines intersect. That means that we need an x and a y to find the full answer to the system of equations. So far we only have our x. In order to find the y, we have to plug in the x to either equation. We're going to plug it into the one in the bottom. This will be negative, and instead of x, negative 5 plus 2y equals 21. Negative 5 is positive 5 plus 2y equals 21. If we subtract 5 on both sides, we're going to get that 2y equals 16. And if we divide both sides by 2, we end up with y equals 8. So we have y equals 8 and x equals negative 5. For number 2, we have 6x minus 12y equals 24 and negative x minus 6y equals 4. In order to eliminate one of these variables, we're going to have to multiply the equation on the bottom. So if we're trying to eliminate x, we're going to multiply the bottom equation by 6. This will give us negative 6x minus 36y equals 24. Next, since the x's have the same number in front but opposite signs, we have to add the two equations together. 6x minus 6x cancel each other out. Negative 12y minus 36y is negative 48y. 24 plus 24 is 48. If we divide each side by negative 48, we're going to find that y is equal to negative 1. Same thing here, we need to plug this back into one of the equations to figure out what the x value is. We'll plug it into the equation on top. We're going to have 6x minus 12 times negative 1 equals 24. Negative 12 times negative 1 gives us positive 12. We'll continue down here. 6x plus 12 equals 24. To get x by itself, first we're going to subtract 12 on both sides and get 6x equals 12. Last, we're going to divide each side by 6, and we end up with x equals 2. And we find the ordered pair 2, negative 1 as our answer for number 2. If you learned something new in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, check out the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.